Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the AI Tune EA for MT5 and I'll be going through the MQL5 marketplace page, breaking down its main features and then looking at the historical backtesting results to understand how it behaves under testing conditions. All right. And before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here on the MQL5 marketplace page, we can see that AI Tune is developed by Saeed Soleimani and it is listed as an MT5 expert advisor. The price is currently 129 US dollars, for purchase, with a note that the next price is expected to increase to $500. The EA is currently on version 10, last updated in November 2025, and it shows 12 activations on the marketplace. Now, as I scroll through the description, the EA is presented as an AI driven trading system designed for Forex and metals markets with a focus on automated execution and real time market analysis. One of the key points mentioned here is that the system processes market data in real time to identify trading opportunities and manage risk dynamically. So the emphasis here is clearly on continuous analysis rather than static decision making. Moving further down, the developer also highlights that AI Tune provides trading signals and daily market analysis directly through Telegram. So beyond just executing trades, it also functions as a kind of signal and information delivery system. Okay. Now, an important note here is the recommended setup. The EA is designed for instruments like XAU USD and GBP JPY using the M15 time frame with a relatively low minimum capital requirement starting from $50, and it is compatible with any broker through lower spreads. Though lower spreads are preferred, actually, lower spreads are preferred. The system also mentions using different AI models like GPT based and cloud based analysis engines, which are described as part of its decision making process for market evaluation and trade execution. Now, before moving into the back testing section, there is also a key explanation from the developer about historical testing. Okay, it stated that backtesting results are not fully representative of live performance because the AI components cannot connect to live analysis engines during simulation. Okay. So the backtest is essentially a simplified version of real execution behavior. Okay. So now shifting into the historical backtesting section, I'm just going to focus on what the chart behavior actually shows and how the EA responds under test conditions, right? So we're going to be testing the AI Tune EA on XAU USD recommended symbol and M15, which is the recommended time frame. As you can see, the test is already ongoing. All right, I am already testing the AI Tune. You can see XAU USD symbol, M15 time frame, and we are running the test from the beginning of the year 2026, right, till date, so that we can get reasonable data for the back testing. Now, as for the delays, we are just using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. All right, so the test has already been running for over 5 minutes now, and we just have quite a few minutes left for the test to be completed, and we are just going to analyze the results after that. Okay, we go to the charts, pick a couple of trades to see the historical trades, right? Just look at the trade history and point out a couple of things from there, and then we'll head over to the results to conclude. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so we have the results out, and looking at the historical data, the EA appears to generate trade activity based on specific market conditions rather than constant execution. There are clear periods where trades cluster around certain price points, as we can see, right? We can see that, okay? Around certain price movements, especially during directional swings. Okay, you can also notice that in some phases, the system reduces activity significantly, which suggests it is filtering out conditions where it does not identify strong opportunities based on its internal logic. Now, when reviewing these AI tune historical backtest results, it's important to understand that this is strictly historical testing performance, and it should not be interpreted as guaranteed future behavior. And I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, because systems like this can behave differently depending on market conditions, volatility cycles, and execution environments. It's also worth noting that performance in real conditions can vary based on factors like spreads, slippage, broker execution, risk settings, and lot sizing. All right. Meanwhile, let's just go over to the results itself and see how this EA performed. So we can see that this is an EA that loves to stack trades, right? You can see multiple trades being executed. Trade stacking is just a it's like a language with this EA, right? And then we can see that the initial deposit was $3,000 and the total net profit was $168,287.68. All right. And then the total trades taken were 175,822 trades. Short trades were 88,231 with a 76.47% win rate. Long trades were 87,591 with a 77.27% win rate. So the win rates are pretty good. All right. And then the largest profit trade was $74.68. The largest losing trade was $40.55. The average profit was $1.60. And the average loss was $1.18. So despite this massive total net profit, we can see that the average profit is just $1.60. So that tells me that, the EA is banking on multiple trades. You can see 170 over 175,000 trades taken in a space of 4.5 months, right? So that is not surprising since the EA already has a good win rate. All right, it has a good win rate, and it has a pretty okay risk to reward ratio. All right, even though that it's not exactly far from one ratio, perhaps one ratio one point something, right? So good win rate, okay risk to reward ratio, and large number of trades. All right. So when I step back and look at the overall behavior, AI Tune for MT5 presents itself as an AI assisted trading system that combines automated execution with real time analysis and external signal distribution through Telegram. But remember, just like with any automated trading system, especially one that relies heavily on adaptive logic, proper testing and careful optimization are important before considering live deployment. And don't forget that past performance does not guarantee future results. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.